Are we humans actually living inside a big black hole? Insights from scientific research. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we embark on an intriguing exploration whether we humans are living inside a big black hole. It's a mind-bending concept that has captured the imagination of scientists and researchers. But what does the Quran have to say about this fascinating topic? Let's delve into it together. The concept of living inside a black hole may sound like science fiction, but it has gained attention in recent scientific discussions. Some theories propose that our universe could exist within the boundaries of a massive black hole, suggesting a profound interconnectedness between the cosmos and our existence. Now, let's explore what the Quran reveals about this intriguing possibility. While the Quran doesn't explicitly mention humans living inside a black hole, it does provide insights that resonate with scientific discoveries. In Surah An-Nur, chapter 24, verse 35, Allah says, "Allah is the light of the heavens and the earth. The example of his light is like a niche within which is a lamp. The lamp is within glass, the glass as if it were a pearly white star lit from the oil of a blessed olive tree, neither of the east nor of the west, whose oil would almost glow, even if untouched by fire. Light upon light. Allah guides to his light whom he wills. And Allah presents examples for the people, and Allah is knowing of all things." This verse from the Quran, with its profound imagery, alludes to the cosmic nature of light and the intricate design of the universe. It emphasizes Allah as the ultimate source of light, guiding all existence. When we consider the possibility of living inside a black hole, we can reflect on the captivating interplay between light and space, which resonates with the Quranic depiction. It's important to note that the Quran often uses metaphoric language and analogies to convey complex concepts. While it may not provide explicit scientific explanations, it invites us to explore the wonders of the universe and ponder our place within it. Scientific research continually expands our understanding of the cosmos, and as we delve deeper, we may uncover more insights that resonate with the Quran's timeless wisdom. The correlation between scientific theories and the spiritual messages in the Quran showcases the limitless nature of knowledge. It reminds us to approach these subjects with an open mind, appreciating the beauty of both scientific exploration and the divine wisdom of the Quran. Thank you for joining us today on this captivating journey. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more thought-provoking content. Until next time,